Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find archive email on Gmail. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Archiving messages in your Gmail email client enables you to keep important business emails without them showing up in your inbox. If you've archived an email and you'd like to find it later on, then simply tap open your Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account, and now from the inbox page of your Gmail application, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Tap on all email from the expanded menu and you'll be able to see all of the emails displayed on your screen. Locate the archived message among all of the emails displayed. Google displays all of the messages in order received, and your archived message will not have the inbox label applied to it. As you can see that, in one of my emails that I have received, there is no inbox label to it. Click on the archive message where it does not have inbox label to it and tap it open. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the message and simply tap on Move to Inbox. And now, the message is no longer archived and it has been sent to your inbox. As you can see that, the inbox label is now available right next to the email. That is how you can quickly find your archive email on Gmail using your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.